I am not someone who falls for beauty marketing BS. If something is going to go into my routine, it actually has to do something. With that being said, here's why I said yes to this product. This is the NIRA Pro 3 laser, an actual at-home laser device. I'm actually partnering with NIRA for this video, but believe me when I say I did my homework before saying yes, and I'm here to share with you everything that I found. As always, I would never say yes to a brand partnership if I didn't 100% believe in it. This device actually has amazing science behind it, and what I was able to find on this truly impressed me. So I have challenged myself to use this device for the next 90 days, and I am going to report back everything that I've seen. But I want to introduce this device to you, tell you a little bit more about it, and have a little bit of context before we talk about this again in the future. I'm 42 years old and I'm taking care of my skin. So for my goals, I feel like I have to have a multi-pronged approach. I've been curious about lasers. I've tried a BBL laser before, and I'm curious about other ones on the market, but I was concerned about the cost and the downtime because it is a big price and time commitment to do something like that. And I thought if I were going to invest in something, I want to try an at-home device that actually has some science behind it. This caught my attention because the concept is similar, but there is less downtime because this is a non-fractional laser, and I'll talk more about that in the next few minutes. So with that being said, let's talk about the NIRA Pro 3 laser. They have a few different lasers in the NIRA lineup. There is a precision laser, the Pro, which is the second generation, and now this is the third generation Pro 3 at-home laser. Now, this is a very easy to use at-home device that you basically turn it on and put it on your face. This is an FDA cleared device. This device is safe for all skin types and skin tones, and anyone ages 22 and up can use it. Let's get into the actual science of this because this is what was so interesting to me about it. Let's talk about collagen. Collagen is what your skin is made of. It keeps your skin plump and smooth. It's essentially the scaffolding underneath your skin. Your body starts slowing collagen production down as early as your 20s, and by your 40s, you've lost a significant amount, which is when your skin starts to sag, you get fine lines. There's two types of aging happening to your body at once. There is intrinsic aging, meaning what's happening inside your body, basically your biological clock, all that stuff. And then there's extrinsic aging, meaning the environment that you're in, whether you have sun damage, how you take care of yourself, smoking, things like that, things that you do on the outside. Most skincare products that are serums, creams, etc., those address the extrinsic aging and the top surface of your skin. Nothing really reaches deep into the dermis where the collagen actually lives. So in order to stimulate that collagen, you actually have to get deep down into the dermis, which is what lasers do. The Pro 3 laser uses a specific wavelength. Let me tell you the exact number. It is a 450 nanometer wavelength. This specific wavelength gets deep down into the dermis. It gently warms your skin to 45 degrees Celsius. Apparently that's the magic number. I didn't know this. That is cool science. And at that temperature, your body triggers something that's called a heat shock protein formation, which kickstarts your natural collagen remodeling process. So it remodels the collagen you already have and it stimulates production of new collagen. I thought that was so cool. The NIRA Pro 3 actually uses the same laser chip found in professional dermatology systems. This isn't a watered down consumer version of the technology. It is the technology. And so that's what really drew me to it. I figured for this specific tool in my toolbox, because we all have to have a little skincare toolbox, this fit in perfectly. I wear my SPF. I take care of myself. I exercise. I eat enough protein. I drink enough water. I use tretinoin. I do gentle exfoliation. I microneedle. I go to my esthetician. I go to my dermatologist. I do all the things that I should be doing, but to add something like this into my toolbox, I think was a great addition. I also have a red light mask, but I learned also something about my red light mask is that this is completely different than that. This apparently is 200 times stronger than the LED red light mask because the red light mask only addresses the very top layer of the skin. This is getting deeper. So there's nothing bad about using a red light mask. It's just not going to give you the most potent results as something like this would. So red light usually is the wavelength, but for that is usually 630 to 700 nanometer range. And it does have some skin benefits, which is mainly anti-inflammatory, and it has surface level support. And I find that to be true, but I don't think it addresses the deeper layers of anti-aging that I would think that a lot of people are hoping that red light would do for them. So let's talk about actually using this device. I'm gonna cut over to myself using this device, magical editing. I'm gonna actually demo this on camera just so you can see how this works and how easy the treatments go. You turn it on and you can select your level of intensity that you like. It's probably harder for this to show up on camera, so I'll catch a clip where you can see, but you select your level of intensity and then all you do is just press. This has the haptic settings on, so this is new to this laser where it doesn't beep. It has these little vibrations. They call it the haptics. That's what signals you to move on to the next spot on your face. So you place it on your skin, you wait for that little buzz. Are you hearing the buzzing? And the little fan will turn on. That doesn't indicate really anything other than it's just gonna help it from overheating. And you just do this all over your face. You can do it literally anywhere. You can do your face, you can do your neck, you can do your crow's feet. I'm not doing a super precise treatment right now, but I'm just showing you the places you can use it. If it does that like long, that means there's like a little error. So you want to make sure that there's like a short vibration. Boom. Boom. So that's what it's treated. And I like to even push it right here. Boom. When all is said and done, I can do my entire face, neck, chest, and hands in like 5 minutes. I feel like it's a really easy time commitment. I don't find this uncomfortable. I don't find this painful. I don't find this anything other than feeling these warming sensations. So when the laser goes on your face, you do feel it heating up, and that's all you really feel. And there's different intensities. Like I said before, you can select your intensity. You can start low and work your way up. I kind of like the warming sensation. I think it's just really easy. I like things that are not a huge time commitment to, things that I can do while I'm doing other things like watching TV, reading. Also, the benefits of upgrading to the Pro 3 is that the battery life is longer than the second generation, and it also has haptic mode, which I demonstrated in what you just saw. Like the other models, they have lots of beeps. This I feel like is very intuitive and you can feel exactly what you're doing, and it's kind of impossible to mess up. The manufacturer says that you can do this twice a day in the morning and evening. NIRA also has lovely topical skincare. They have a Moisture Lock Hyaluronic Acid Serum and a Youth Renewal Peptide Cream, both of which are great to use after your laser treatment. Even if you're just doing this once a day, you're making a big difference in your skin. I've seen so many amazing reviews and befores and afters and videos on this product that I can't wait to see what it actually does for me as well. Then also there is a NIRA app that you can download for iOS users, and it'll basically connect via Bluetooth to your phone, and it tracks how effective you are at your sessions, like how many pulses you did, how often you're doing it every single day. And you can also take progress photos. It also scans your face and like analyzes it and tells you where your deepest areas of concern might be. It tells you your skin age transparently. I've been using this for about 2 to 3 weeks. Realistically, I can't even tell you what I'm seeing yet because the skin cell cycle turnover is like 4 to 6 weeks depending on your age. So I'm really gonna start seeing these benefits popping up within the next couple of weeks to months. That's why they say give yourself 90 days. They also have a 90-day money-back guarantee, which gives you that full length of time to see if it's actually doing something. And if you aren't seeing any improvement, you're able to get a refund. And if they didn't have something like that, I would feel a little bit more hesitant to start recommending a product that I'm in the process of using. They also have a 1-year warranty, and there is free shipping on the product. With that being said, I cannot wait to see what I see in 90 days and show you specific before and after photos because the app is so cool. It lets you take those progress photos so you can see exactly what's going on. If you want to join me on this 90-day challenge, definitely check out the link below to get your own NIRA Pro 3 laser. We're gonna have fun together because we need more tools in our toolbox that actually work with actual science and not junk marketing. That's where I'm at in life. If you're interested, the link is in the description and in the pinned comment below. Thank you again to NIRA for sponsoring this video, and I can't wait to see what happens in the next 90 days. Has anyone tried this? Do you have any thoughts and opinions on it? Because I want to know. Let me know, girls. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I will definitely check in as soon as the 90 days are up. Bye!